Okay, now let's see how we can fully define the sketch. Okay, so now what we do is go back once we create the overall, then we define by making fully define. Okay, so to fully define you need to give enough dimensions so that there is no ambiguity. Okay, so we'll do specify until you'll see that this is under defined, so we make it fully defined so that any change will not significantly affect the your solid model. Okay, so all that I do is give dimension. For example, I want to make it all uh, even number. Okay, this is delete. Okay, and then the arc radius smart dimension is I want to give the radius. Okay, that's it. Okay, what else do you need? I need to give all this 25 here. It's over constraint. It's not defined. It is defined, but I think I have to clean up all this. What is this error? The dimension is actually driven. So the thing I'm gonna get rid of all this extra dimension. Remove the dimension, select and then delete. Select, okay, select and delete. Select and delete. Okay, these are now the reason that this will not recreate because I removed that hole. Now I'm in trouble. So I go back, edit. To get rid of my trouble, I will go back. I know my line. The line that I deleted is supposed to be here, construction line. Okay. It was vertical and construction. Okay. If I click, yeah, now I have got back my dimensions. It's crazy. So I need to rearrange this. Role given, this is given, this is not given. So first start looking from horizontal. Okay, all the horizontal are given. This is also obtained. How about this one is given, this is given. This is not given, so I need to give this. So smart dimension, this guy. Okay. Oh, why it's driven? Oh, because of, so cancel. I don't need to give horizontal, so vertical is given. Is given. This is not given, so I need to give this. Okay. Yes. This is given. How about from here to here? This should be given. This one here, cancel. I think it can be deduced. That means, okay, this is given, this height is given, this is given. What is not given? Okay, this one. Oh, this location of the center. Usually that creates a problem, okay? So this from here, okay. So it's driven, that's not a problem. Then from here to here, okay, because this is driven I want to delete this. Escape. So what I'm gonna do is, no, where is the selection? Evaluation. Okay, exit. Usually if you fix is the best option to make something. To get rid of full dimensioning is one best ways to do this. Okay, fix. As you see here, everything's changed to, or if you select the origin, that was the problem. I have to give from here to here dimension. Okay, so fixed. You don't need to make too much to change. Okay, that's is fixed. Then the next is this guy. Edit. Again, normal. All that you do is what? Dimension. Give this. Give this. Whatever value is. Now, and fix. Why do you struggle? If you fix it, that's your 0, 0. Okay. Then edit. Again the same thing. There are many ways to do that, but I'm showing one of them. Okay. Then fix the center. Then I give radius. It's what? Why is it underdefined? Oh, because of this. Now fully defined. Okay. What fully defined is. This is another one. Again, I will do similar thing. This is defined. Give dimension here. Again, give dimension here. Horizontal, vertical, you give fixed. The only thing that's not fixed is this guy. So dimension, you give that radius. That will make everything fixed. That's it. That's it. I know it's slightly different than the original, but this is more of the part. Okay.